A ruling from France's highest administrative court could shed light on how French government actions may have influenced events surrounding the genocide of the Tutsis in Rwanda in the 1990s. The former dictator of the African nation died when the plane carrying him was shot down in 1994, unleashing a wave of ethnic terror. The public rapporteur of France's Council of State has now ruled in favour of a researcher calling for the opening of the archives of former French President François Mitterrand. What we want to understand is what the political decision-makers of the time knew, François Mitterrand and his advisers, what information they had when they made the decisions that have been criticised and that involved France during, before and after the genocide of the Tutsis in 1994. Within hours of Rwanda's former dictator's death in 1994, the killing started. Over the next 100 days or so, between 500,000 and 1 million Tutsis and politically moderate Hutu were killed in attacks ordered by the interim government. Many were hacked to death and the killers were often police, soldiers and militia. The scale and brutality of the massacre shocked the world. What we've been able to establish from the documents we have is the complicity of the French government. That's to say, knowledge of the cause, knowledge of what happened, active support, which had an effect on the crime. It doesn't mean genocidal intent. Simply we saw an intention to keep Rwanda under French influence at all costs. That meant by supporting those carrying out the genocide. François Granet has been calling for the Mitterrand archives to be opened for the past 5 years. The opinions of the public rapporteur are generally followed by the administrative court. A decision is expected in 3 weeks.